Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander XLS, stock reference number 5340. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 7th of 21. It has a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.